Hey there, I'm Lisa from here at HubSpot, and welcome to this special inbound edition of the Product Spotlight. Inbound is the most exciting time of year here at HubSpot. It's when tens of thousands of people join us in Boston to hear inspiring, transformative keynotes from folks like Janelle Monáe, Brian Stevenson, Chip and Joanna Gaines, and more. In addition to all the great sessions at Inbound, HubSpot also celebrates the various new features in our product that were inspired by our favorite people. That's right, our customers. Feedback can sometimes be difficult to listen to. But here at HubSpot, we know that if you want your customers to succeed, you need to not only listen to their feedback, but act on it too. Over the past year, we've focused on building the things you've been asking us for, the tried and true features you need to grow your business. With your feedback in mind, here are the latest HubSpot product updates from Inbound 2019. Today, small and medium-sized businesses like yours use an average of over 100 applications to create exceptional experiences for your customers. Here at HubSpot, we understand that no single software can solve every one of your specialized needs. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to HubSpot's new app marketplace, built to help businesses like yours create remarkable experiences by connecting your tools, teams, processes, and data through a single system. With over 300 available integrations, the new app marketplace has more than doubled its integration count in the last 12 months, including integrations like Slack, Xero, WordPress, and more. With hand-curated selections of apps for different types of users, HubSpot makes it easy to find the right app for every purpose. We've also redesigned the app listing pages to prioritize the details your business needs when considering an app, including pricing, subscription requirements, demo videos, and more. We've even decreased friction and improved discoverability for app developers. The new app listing experience gives app creators a simple, streamlined way to create and manage your marketplace listings directly from your developer portal. The new app marketplace is now live and available to all HubSpot users. Check out the link in the description below and start connecting new apps to HubSpot today.
Hey everyone, I'm Marcus and I work on our Service Hub product line at HubSpot. Service Hub is now around 18 months old and is a very different product from when we launched it. We have been listening to your feedback and learning how you delight customers and have made some major changes as a result. For this year's Inbound edition of the Product Spotlight, we'll look back at a few of our favorite updates and new features you can expect in Service Hub. So Service Hub helps you build a great customer experience, and that means communicating with customers how they want to communicate. This is why we're always adding new channels to the Conversations inbox. Web support forms are now live as a new intake option in your Conversations inbox. This helps you manage and scale service as you grow. Facebook Messenger is also now in beta as a new channel. In the Service Hub help desk, you'll also see new time-saving automation options across tickets and workflows. And finally, team collaboration on customer issues is now easier with new internal commenting and inline ticket status updates. All of these features help you build the right service help desk for your business. Service Hub is also designed to help you build self-service solutions, service tools that help your customers help themselves. Now in beta in the knowledge base is the ability to customize article access based on your HubSpot list. This allows you to share more knowledge with specific audiences by restricting public access. In the knowledge base, you'll also see a new editor and new design templates, giving you more flexibility to make your knowledge base your own. You can also now import your existing knowledge base right into Service Hub, so you won't have to rebuild any articles if you switch from another knowledge base. Ask your CSM about self-service solutions to learn more. Investing in the customer experience helps you keep your existing customers, but it also creates happier customers. And happy customers grow your business. They leave positive reviews, they refer their friends, they support you on social media. We built Service Hub to help you create and activate happy customers. Now live in Service Hub is advocacy automation, new workflows that trigger email outreach or tasks based on survey data results. You can use this new automation to power and scale your customer testimonials, case study program, or really any advocacy program. You can also now deliver feedback surveys in new ways like your website and gain new insights through updated feedback and reporting. These are just a few ways that Service Hub is growing to meet your needs and to help you build an exceptional customer experience.
Hey everyone, I'm Nike, and I've got some cool updates about landing pages. I'm excited to announce we're bringing the ease of our email editor over to landing pages. Our new drag and drop page editor makes it easy for anyone to design beautiful landing pages in a snap. The best part? We're aiming to make them available in Marketing Hub Starter on November 1st. When they're released, all Marketing Hub Starter customers will get access to landing pages in a new editing experience. Plus, we've added the ability to send up to 3 kickback emails after a form submission. This means you can automatically follow up with and nurture all the leads your new landing pages are converting. With these new features comes a change to how we're pricing contacts in Marketing Hub Starter. The core pricing is staying the same, but the addition of new contacts will start at $50 and scale down as you purchase more. And of course, for a limited time, we're planning on honoring the legacy contact pricing for our existing customers. You can read up on the details by clicking the link in the description.
Hi everyone, it's Alex from the product marketing team, and this year at Inbound, we're launching several exciting new features into our ads and social tools. First, have you ever created a Facebook post and were shocked by the amount of engagement you got on it? Chances are, if an organic Facebook post resonated with your audience, you can expand your reach with this audience by turning that post into an ad campaign. To make this process easy, we've added social post boosting for Facebook posts into HubSpot's social tool. Simply select an organic Facebook post within the social tool, click Actions, Create Ad, and you'll have the ability to quickly and easily start promoting that post. This is currently in beta, but will soon be available for all Marketing Hub Professional and Enterprise customers. Next, let's talk about Facebook lead ads and LinkedIn lead generation forms. These ad types are awesome. For your customers, they remove all the friction when converting on an ad by providing a pre-populated form directly within Facebook or LinkedIn for them to convert on. When you're creating these ads, you should also have a friction-free experience. That's why we've created native ad creation within HubSpot. When creating ads in HubSpot, all your campaign assets can be found in one place, and the experience mimics the HubSpot creation flow that you're already used to. As part of creating your ad, you can also start to automate next steps by adding newly converted contacts to HubSpot lists or setting up an automated workflow. Native ad creation is now live for Facebook lead ads, and we'll soon have it for LinkedIn lead generation ads as well. Social media marketers are on the go. They're live tweeting at an industry conference or quickly publishing a status on LinkedIn or Facebook during their commute. It's not possible for them to schedule everything out in advance within one platform to make sure that everything is tracked and measured. That's why we've added Publish Anywhere reports to HubSpot's social tool. As soon as you connect your social accounts to HubSpot, we'll give you insight into how you've performed over the last 60 days. Better yet, you can publish from HubSpot, the networks, or even a different social tool that you use, and still track your success within HubSpot across all networks that you're active on. This update is now live and available to all Marketing Hub Professional and Enterprise users.
Hi, my name is Bella, and I'm here today to talk to you about automation. Over the years, we've heard 2 pieces of workflows feedback more than any other: that your workflows list gets messy as it grows, and that your sophisticated branching workflows can get unwieldy as you add more branches. Now in beta are the solutions to both of these challenges. To help you stay organized, you can now create folders for your workflows. And to help you keep those complex workflows manageable and save you time, you can now create a go-to action that reconnects branches in the workflow. Folders and workflows and the go-to action are both in beta for Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, and Service Hub professional and enterprise users. If you'd like to get involved in either of those betas, contact your CSM.
Hi there, Elise here with some exciting news for our Sales Hub Professional customers. At Inbound, we announced some major enhancements planned for our Sales Hub Professional product. For Sales Hub Professional customers, this means access to features like e-sign and calculated properties. To coincide with these changes, we are planning to increase the price of Sales Hub Professional. Effective November 1st, 2019, we plan to increase the list price of Sales Hub Professional to $500 per month, with 5 paid users included and $100 per month for each additional user. In keeping with HubSpot tradition, for a limited time, we'd like to show our appreciation for our customers by giving all of our existing Sales Hub Professional customers access to the new Sales Hub Professional features at their current price. That means anyone who purchases before November 1st can lock in at the current price and gain access to all the new functionality as it becomes available. You can learn more about these changes and what they mean for you by visiting this page. There is one more feature planned for Sales Hub Professional that I want to talk about, one that's brand new. Once launched, Sales Hub Professional and Sales Hub Enterprise customers with a connected Stripe account will be able to seamlessly generate a buy now link for any given product. Share this link via email or create a buy now button for your website. Customers who click the link will be able to purchase that product directly via Stripe for a truly frictionless purchase experience. This feature is currently in beta, but we're planning to make it available to all Sales Hub Professional and Sales Hub Enterprise customers later this year. That's all for today, folks. As always, if you can't get enough HubSpot product updates, you can check out our product updates blog using the link in the description below. Also, keep an eye out for our monthly newsletter that highlights some of our most exciting product updates to help you stay informed. We'll see you next month.